Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Hitbits. It's been 2 months since the last time we were in this program. We're going to be checking out how our account is progressing, and I'm going to be sharing with you withdrawal proofs and some payment proofs, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video, and as you can see we are here in my Hitbits account, and like I said, it's been 2 months since the last time we were in this program. I couldn't believe that amount of time has gone by since the last time we did a video on this. Now, for those of you that don't really know what Hitbits is about, basically it's a virtual mining program. If you put a bit of work in, it can become a easy to use passive income site. Now, if you want to know more about it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a sort of tutorial. That's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning yourself some of that free crypto. But if you go all the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. And also remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so let's get into the video, but first I need to take a drink. I about coughed everywhere just then. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty quick video. I'm basically just going to be looking at how our account is progressing, how our guild is getting on, and just doing withdrawals, showing you payment proofs, all that kind of stuff, as I said in the introduction. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to get into is, for those of you that already play the game, if you haven't established yourself a guild already, I do suggest to do so. It is a very simple and easy way to earn yourself some extra tokens, which are up here. And basically, if we just go in here, you can see that currently we've got Silver Fang. He's put 12,000 in, which is normally between 12 and 10,000 tokens he puts in every week, which is absolutely amazing. Tapuka hasn't put anything in yet, but she gets a few thousand in there. And you can see this, I actually put this in today, 2,000 tokens. But basically, you have until Sunday. So basically, you have the entire week to build up your tokens. While you're building up your tokens, you can go in here, and you're going to click on Guild Power, and you're going to see yourself here. There's us, number 2, and we're currently at the point of earning 238 tokens. Now, obviously, it's the beginning of the week. By the end of the week, by the end of last week, we were number 1. And at the time I looked at it, which I think was on the Saturday, so not the Sunday, we were at about 2,000 tokens in the pot, and that's getting split between 3 of us, so that's quite a nice payout. If you look here, you can see that is what I got. So last week I earned 1,137 tokens. The week before that I earned nearly 500. The week before that I earned nearly 450. The week before that I earned nearly 600. And basically, you do not have to do anything. All you got to do is you open up a guild, get a few of your friends in there, use Hitbits as you normally would, and basically as you build up points from doing stuff on the site or using external sites such as Hideout TV to watch videos, basically points will build up, and then you will get a percentage of this pot here. Like I say, that pot is not showing a lot. By the end of last week, I believe we were getting close to about 10,000 tokens in there, maybe between 7 and 8 actually. But you know, when that gets split between those people that actually take part, you need to see there's also as well, there's a lot of people in this, but not everybody does it every single week. So like I say, if you can do it every single week, one week you might finish in 10th place. The following week, if a lot of people ahead of you decide not to do it, you might finish in 2nd place or 3rd place or something like that. So like I say, it is worth pursuing just to get those extra tokens. Now, what do we do with these tokens? We go in here, or this is what I do anyway. I go in here and I purchase mercenaries with them. So we've got 2,158. So we can get at least, yeah, 2 more. We've got 87 at the moment. We're earning 261 credits every hour. And if we hire that, so that goes up to 267, or yeah, if we go 89, 267, we're using 178 food an hour. We've got over 1,000. So that means while we're over 1,000, I can leave that in there. And once we get to another 1240, we can purchase another mercenary. Yeah, 1240, we can purchase another mercenary. And you'll see as well, we have a big payout. We've got, because I've basically just been building it up over the last couple of months, we've got nearly 300,000 credits, which a lot of people say, well, why don't you just hang on to get to 3,000, then you can withdraw Bitcoin? Because I'm not really bothered about withdrawing Bitcoin. Basically, I always withdraw Litecoin. I just wanted to build it up to show you guys that, you know, if you're patient, you can get some really good payouts from this. So if we drop into our withdrawal area, so this is the withdrawal. So we're going to go to Litecoin. Like I said, if you click, you want to do Bitcoin, you got to be 300,000. Litecoin is only 100,000. We have 274. So 274,368, and that's going to equate to nearly $3. And for not doing a whole lot. I mean, obviously, I basically come on here. I will claim the daily gift. I will do the faucet, which is like, what is it, every 29 minutes or something like that. I'll do the faucet, and then I watch Hideout TV. That is pretty much all I do. Obviously, the majority of my points come from Hideout TV. I know not everybody can use Hideout TV. Also, I know some people that have been using Hideout TV and then suddenly they're finding that they're not earning the points that they were earning. Now, I did talk about this with Loot TV, and I found I had the same issue with Loot TV as I was having with Hideout TV. So basically, for a while, you're getting like the top payout on all your ads, and then suddenly I found that it dropped. And what I found to change was I was running it on Windows 8. So what I thought was, well, what I'll do is I'll test it out on my main system, because I was running it on a rubbish laptop. I'll test it on my main system on Windows 10. And both Loot TV and Hideout TV both went back up to earning tip-top points, like top points, what I was earning before it dropped down. And that's what I found. I don't know, like I say, if Hideout TV and Loot TV had upgraded their sites, or the requirements of your browser just needed to sort of coincide with what what the developers were stating in the background that was requirements. Because obviously, if you're running like Windows 8 or Windows 7, you will not be able to run an updated version of Google browser or Brave browser, because basically the operating system doesn't allow it. So by moving over to Windows 10 with an updated browser, I found that basically I went back up to earning as many points as I used to be earning before the issue. So like I say, if you're running it on an old system, maybe that's what your issue is, rather than the issue with the actual site. But anyway, that's what, like I say, that's where I get most of my points from, which is Hideout TV. So we'll put in this request. So that's the withdrawal request. It leaves us 267 credits. Probably we've just been paid out from our mercenaries, because that was 267. So we've just missed that payout, but never mind. So anyway, that is obviously how to do a withdrawal if you're withdrawing Litecoin. Obviously, like I say, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, you need to be at 300,000. Also remember, guys, I am using the direct deposit address for Faucet Pay. And how does that work? If we go into the settings, so we've got my Bitcoin address just there, get rid of that. And then this address here is the deposit address. So it's not actually a linked wallet address for like an external wallet, or it goes direct. That will go direct into Faucet Pay. And if you use this, the direct deposit addresses, you will also find that your withdrawals go into a different area of Faucet Pay. So we're going to go and take a look at that, and we're also going to take a look at other withdrawals we've done. So I'm going to show you some payment proofs. Okay, so here we are. This is Faucet Pay. Basically, if you want to use a deposit address, what you do is you'd come into Wallet. You would basically scroll down to, let's say, Litecoin. You can even use, obviously, the one to Bitcoin if you want. And you'll just simply click Deposit. And then it'll open up and it will show you that deposit address. The same for any of these coins here. Basically, any of these coins, if you click on there's Litecoin, click on deposit, and that will give you the deposit address. But with that, where do you find your withdrawals? You will not find it in the overview. You go into history, and here, this is all of the withdrawals I've done using that deposit address from Hitbits. So 1st of April, 22nd of April, 6th of May, 27th of May, 18th of June, 2nd of July. And obviously you can see there, you know, that's nearly 1 million Litecoin. That's nearly 2 million Litecoin. That's nearly 1.5. That's just over 1. That's just over 1. And that's just over 1. So, you know, basically I'm consistently withdrawing over 1 million, or around about 1 million Litecoin every time I withdraw. And now this one is going to be even higher because it's nearly 3 times the amount of these previous withdrawals. So you're going to be looking at maybe 2 to 3 million Litecoin. And like I say, the amount of effort I put into that program is minimal. I was going to say massively minimal, but that's just like a weird way of putting it. But just minimal, overdoing the minimal bit. But yes, so I hardly do anything in that site. Like I say, I am able to use Hideout TV, which I know some people can't. So for those of you that can't, you're going to have to put a bit more work in. But like I say, if you start building up those mercenaries, get them paying, you know, other people will tell you there's other ways to do it. There are. Personally, I think the way I do it to be the easiest. You know, and also as well, because of the way I do it, I can spend hardly any time on the site. I'm not sat there for hours doing, you know, battles and stuff like that, which are another option on the site. But I personally don't recommend it because I think it uses up a lot of your time for not a lot of payout, in my opinion. Okay, so anyway, what we'll quickly have a look at, and the reason why I'm going to bring this to you is because recently I did a video on Pro Infinity called "If You Are Not Using This Faucet, You Are Losing Coins." Now I want to show you. Now I posted that video on the 5th of August. So since the 5th of August, so here's the 4th of August. So since the 5th, on the 10th of August, I withdrew 2 million USDT. Also on the 10th of August, I withdrew 12 million Doge. On the 11th of August, I did 3 million Matic. On the 13th of August, I did 1 million USDT. Again, on the 13th of August, I did 28 million Doge. 14th of August, I did 2 million Matic. 15th of August, I did 15 million Doge. And then, and then, so that was, the last one was the Matic one from the Pro Infinity. And then today, for you old schoolers that are still using auto claim, I did a load of withdrawals today from that, which is again similar to Pro Infinity in the sense of it's just a dead easy to use faucet, which you build up points and then you can just run an auto claim on it, and then it will just basically build up your coins. And I've been doing this with all these different coins over a few months, and then I've made, so then today I withdrew 1 million Bitcoin Cash, 1 million Sol, 18 million USDT, 200,000 Litecoin, 15 million Doge, and that was all today. But like I say, those coins I've been building up over a few months in that program, but that is another really easy to use faucet. So obviously, if you want to check those out, go into my channel, check out the playlist, and I think it's called easy to use faucets or something like that, and you'll see the videos in there for that. But yeah, like I say, Pro Infinity, and I'm basically doing these withdrawals every single day. So if you haven't checked out that video as well already, what I'll do is I'll put that video at the end of this video along with the tutorial for Hitbits, just in case you want to check that out also. Okay, so that is it. That is all I wanted to chat to you about. I just wanted to do a bit of a quick update on Hitbits. Hope you found that informative, helpful and fun. If you can, smash that like button, give us a big thumbs up please. It really supports my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.